My worry is that because of heavy reliance on AI, do you think our children are at a disadvantage because they've never learned those skills the way we have learned? So
Yeah,
even to be able to sort of decide whether what AI is saying is good or bad, I think those basic skills somewhere I worry will tend to get compromised. And I'm already seeing that happening in my younger kids in the family, not my own kids, but younger kids who are not able to think as much. So how do we as parents sort of counter that?
very good question, Payal. See, and I'll talk about a couple of paradoxes around AI first. See, AI is a tool, right? Like knife. Knife can be used for dangerous things. Knife can be used to cut vegetables. AI is like fire. It can be used to burn something for wrong purposes, and it can cook food. AI is not bad. If you want to use AI for bad, yes, it can work because it's just a tool. Now, when it comes to thinking skills, just like I gave you examples of my daughter, thinking skills, if you know how to work with AI, it can supercharge your skills, or it can also make you a handicap that you depend on AI completely. AI can, for example, I was meeting the school principal last week, and he said that today 80% of the assignments submitted in their school are AI generated. Let it simmer. 80%. I'm talking about a school in a metro. 80% assignments. Are they teaching AI in school? No. Have they talked about what are the ethical ways to use AI? No. How do you stay safe on AI? What is right thing to do, wrong thing to do? No. But kids are using it. World will not stop. I'll give you one more example. In my mom keeps telling me कि phone में घुसे रहता है ये. Can I live without phone? No. Can you live without a phone? No, today. Our kids, they will not be living without AI. Ye part and parcel, it would be part of their life. We have to structure things for them so that they can start leveraging AI to do better things, to understand better, to learn better, to create better. Mayuri was talking, some other parent was talking about their kid wants to do filmmaking. With AI, it can go supercharge this completely.
No, I agree with you completely there, Jatin, and thank you for elaborating. My only submission is that I think as parents now, our responsibility has actually increased even more
Yes.
to be able to show them the right use for AI and how to leverage it to make themselves better, but not dependent, to not use AI as a crutch. I think ethical use of AI is something that probably schools and educators should take up very seriously.
And yes, we are working with a lot of schools in UK also. In fact, Vanita is leading that initiative in 26 different schools. We are getting into schools and telling them how to use it ethically and how to use it so that it helps you. It doesn't make you completely dependent on that. There are things on which we will dependent on that. For example, no matter where I'm going today, I switch on Google Maps. Those days are gone when I would just remember the map. Or it's sad, but sometimes I have to remember my daughter's phone number also because वो पड़ा हुआ है phone में तो क्यों याद करना है वो? We will become dependent. Well, we will make it. Technology will make us dependent, but in the larger scheme, it is making us better. There are few things where we will become dependent.